me and my husband went out and got some shoes this morning. He needed a pair of good work shoes. And they happened to have a bunch on sale. And I found some that I really, really liked. And I've never had a pair of Jordans. These are my Jordan shoes. There's the box. Just um, the standard shoe for Jordan. It is the two and children's, as you can see, the 2U, and it's just a standard box. And here's what they look like. They're little kid shoes. I wear teeny tiny shoes, so here's the shoe in general. So yeah, it's just pink and black, just a standard shoe. The inside's real comfortable. I like it because it says Jordan in pink, and it has a pink bottom, and then it just has a pink Jordan there, which I like pretty shoes, and I like girly shoes, but it's so hard to find heels in my size. So tennis shoes and flip-flops and flats are easier to find because I wear kitty shoes. And when I can find a good deal on kitty shoes, I like to get them, especially high dollar name brand shoes on sale. And I like it because it just has a hit of pink on the bottom, which makes it look really good and really pretty. And it's not like overly girly, like, ooh, it's got bright flowers on it and looks whatever you want to call it. But this is just my shoe and my first pair of Jordans, and they're really, really comfortable, and I really like them. Hope you like the shoes. And I'm not bragging, I'm not boasting, I'm just showing you what my lovely husband bought me today while we was out in town at a really, really good deal. Well, thank you for choosing the Mayflower Garden, and thank you for subscribing, liking, and commenting, and following me on Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter, and Facebook, and thank you for helping the garden grow into big, beautiful beauties. And if you were a flower, I'd pick you. Bye!